This is so funny though. Do it again! Jump in that one! Quick, quick! No, in that one! Quick! You have 3 seconds! Oh my god, you can keep going!
Shake! No! At the end, shake! Shake! Shake it for the camera!
No, sir, not say like, I'm nuts for jumping in so many puddles, now I'm soaked.
At least in the video was Cheryl being dumb.
Oh my gosh!
Are you done?
He can go as long as he wants now.
Why?
I don't know, it just goes longer.
Oh, I want to see what he does. That's a failure. Do some more funny things.
I love this. This is like terrorism.
Facebook, no kidding.
Totally. Okay, 10 seconds, guys. I don't want it being too long.